At Becker, we know how important the reliability and the performance of our products is to our customers. That's why we offer a wide range of after-sales services to keep your pump in top condition. Our comprehensive service offering and expert technical advice will ensure that your equipment is operating efficiently, with planned maintenance reducing the risk of unexpected production downtime, giving you more time to focus on your goals. Tailored with the customer in mind, Becker's premium service plans protect the lifetime of your investment, control budget spend, and improve the quality of your workplace, especially in harsh environments. From the initial contact with our service teams to the expertise offered by our mobile service technicians, we strive to offer excellent customer service, prioritising both availability and speed. Operating as a family-owned business, we understand that reliability is integral to forming long-term partnerships. With a global network of 18 subsidiaries, we offer a local service that's trusted globally. We're committed to being by your side as your dependable local service partner.